Hello, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And today I want to quickly share with us on how you can join the YouTube affiliate program. This is especially or strictly for those that have had their channels monetized already. If your channel is monetized, there is this new option on YouTube where you can join the affiliate program, where you'll be able to tag goods or products on your videos. And if people buy your products or people buy the products through your videos or through the tags that you have placed on your videos of the products, then you're going to earn commissions. Those are extra ways that you can actually make money on YouTube if your channel is monetized. So I'm going to show us how you can get that set up and how you can actually go ahead and tag products on your YouTube videos. Okay, let's go to my desktop. You ensure that you're logged in and you go to your YouTube studio. And once you're on YouTube studio, you go to your earn page. Get to your earn page. Then you're going to see, you go to shopping. Go to shopping. As you scroll down a bit, you're going to see join affiliate program. Join affiliate program. So you can simply click on turn on. Click on turn on. You're going to take it to this page where they're going to explain exactly what you can watch the video to understand what it's all about. You can see, you say access products and promotions from popular brands and find the best commission rates for you. Get paid when viewers buy tagged products from your videos and shorts. Manage affiliate products and get insight all in one place. So you're going to click on continue. Continue. They're going to explain this program, this YouTube affiliate program, terms and conditions, or terms of service. You can read through the terms of service to understand exactly what is your part, what you're supposed to do, and what you are not supposed to do at every given moment in time as far as the program is concerned. Then once you've gone through, you take on I hereby agree and consent to the affiliate program agreement terms. So you check this and then you're going to click on join. So we're going to click on join here. You wait for it to load. And here it is. It says spend less time tagging products. So it's tag products automatically. Yeah. So that's another way to avoid, if you are maybe if you are okay with that YouTube will automatically tag products. It's just like putting ads on your videos. Some people prefer to manually insert ads on their videos, and if you are okay, you can ask YouTube to automatically place ads on your videos. So here you can automatically, I think I'm okay with this, that YouTube automatically tag products each time I upload a video. Say AI may find and tag featured products in videos for you. Manage tag products in video details or turn these off in settings. So you can still as well, there may be a video you don't want products to be tagged there at all. So you may at any time turn it off. Just like even monetization, there are videos you don't want to monetize, you just want to place it there on your channel. Whatever reason, you can always maybe turn it on or turn it off at any time. So you can accept this automatic placement, I will take on continue. It says you are in. Now you can start tagging products. So choose a published video and explore how the program works. Go to the product section to see promotions and commission rates available for you. So we're going to try. Let's take on try. We're going to choose a video. Let's try this. When you click here, you're going to come down. You see under description. Under description, you'll see products. You can click here to tag products. You see there are no products here yet. You see turn off automatic product tag. This one says no product tagged. So we can, let's take explore. You see earn a performance bonus of up to $1,400 on affiliate sales from December 1st until this is a promotion going on, right? No tax. So gonna search sellers. If you know sellers, you simply enter the name here. So in effect, once it is set up, you can always search. You can search the products and then you can tag them on your videos each time you're uploading a video. And you can always, you can come back to the earn page, and you come back here. You can see the affiliate program. You can see from December. This is for if maybe you have already been into the program, you've already been tagging products, you'll be able to see how it has been performing here and how your bonus has been going on. So that's it. In the next video, we're going to show you exactly how to tag a product directly to your video. Thank you for watching this far, and God bless you. See you in our next video.